What's up, guys? Today we're back with another banger. We got the biggest Lambo takeover. We got Firefletched with the Ferrari. We got we're gonna do this. We got him with the carbon fiber. Zach looking clean. Looking clean. We got her. I don't know who she is. Okay, I'm not gonna read the bio. Panda. She looks like a panda. We got the electricity. We got Emerson, my bodyguard, right here. Bro, you know what? My bad. Crap. We gotta go with ADD. You gotta add Emerson. Where is Zoe? Sure, we'll add her because she came to the car meet. Just because she came to the car meet, alright? No goofy business or something. I don't know. What up? Is that it? Yeah, that's it, I believe. Oh. I'm gonna say the gang takeover for my friend that just joined. Where you at? Where's he at? Gang takeover. I'm just gonna say that, bro. No funny business. Gang takeover. Hell no. I mean, heck no, heck no. I mean, why don't you come and check? Let me get this guy up. Come here. Come, bro. My game is lagging because yo, actually, hold up. Let me actually. Guys, I want you to comment down below. Who has the cleanest Lambo? You got Lee Jack with the red Fire Lambo with the wrap. He just loaded. This one. We got ADD, the bodyguard. Actually, no, he's not the bodyguard. We got the 10 with the Bugatti. We got God of Electricity. I don't know who he is. Let me get out. So Netflix. Alright. Or my car, the Turbo. Best car here, right? Best car here, right? No. Alright, no. Okay, I guess this is. Wait, is this the world record? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 cars all lined up because bro, who put this on my car? Get that out, please. I'm just gonna move the smoke. Guys, we got ghost mode. Turn off the head. Oh. Like, what are we doing here? Race? No race? That looks about right. Bro, line it back up. Get out. Come here. I try having a clean car, you know what they do with it? Yeah, let's see where the music source is going now. Bro, this car is ugly. Oh, maybe. Yeah, how about this? How about this, big boy? Psych. Lambo forever. Okay, yes. Let's put on this. Oh yeah, you guys should definitely do this. It definitely won't hack your account, because it won't. We got, that car looks, come on, line it. Line it up. Let me get this closer so people have enough space to park next time. Oh, I should get a custom number plate. He just reminded me. Where's the plate? You guys don't want to know what's in my office. Like, in the game. This is gonna be such... Yo! What the heck you guys doing to my cars, huh? At least I got insurance. I got insurance on this Lambo the day I bought it. I'm definitely not capping. Am I capping or am I slapping? Thought I saw something. Somebody's still on it. Let's see this. Yeah, I know. Who does they think they are stealing my car? Coming for you with a Draco in your life. No racing, no racing. Let me lock this. Oh my gosh. Bro, stop. Stop. For real, what are you doing? What are you guys doing with your lives? Stop. What are you doing now? Honking our horns? Come on, bro. La do diddle diddle la do diddle diddle la. Yo, hold up. Let me let my car out. Guys, how much cars are there? Be honest. One, two. Okay, one car. Zach's. Yo, guys, you like my custom plate? Made specially for me. I wish I can have that on my quad. Not gonna lie. Delete that. Oh, I don't want it. Buddy. Oh yeah, let me just get contaminated real quick. Let me just swim in it. Let me just, let me get it all in there. Alright, yay! Why am I blue cool? I mean, did I really just say that? Blue Kool-Aid? It's the green Kool-Aid, bro. Buddy. Secret murderer. I don't think they know that they're on YouTube, by the way. I know it's not scripted. I came from one car to this guy's car, the goat's car. His name is not the goat, but he is a goat. Sounds like a Bugatti, Ferrari, Lambo. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cars. Oh yeah, thank you. Let me just get contaminated real quick. I swim in there. Bro, I would have pranked YouTube so bad. What you trying to do? Huh? That's what I thought. Buddy, this guy is big as my toe. Who the heck does he think he is? Killer head. You're as big as a toe. You ain't tough. Okay. Alright. What would this be like? You guys are on YouTube. What the heck? This is just embarrassing, man. On board? To my house. I got the cleanest one. Custom plate. It originated here. And I'll post some pictures on Discord. Alright, you guys should join my Discord. It's real fun. I say we go rob the bank. Man, I'm playing GTA in real life. Oh yeah, I guess we're mining it up. I don't know. Heck no. I think the bully's gonna read my plate and figure out. Oh. Hope you guys know. No. How about you join? We'll get that out. How about you join us right now? Do you know? You guys know how brutal this is? It's good the guy that did my toe. Can I join the crew? Onion? Sure. We got the Rolls Royce. Phantom. Okay, never mind. It's not clean. Come here. I'm gonna pick little Timmy up. No, come on. I'm just gonna grab you. Come here. No. How about we invite him to something? If he joins, you gotta know what we're about to do. Yeah, but we got out. We out. Come here. You know what, bro? I'm gonna go here. Oh. Get this out. I know. No, imagine somebody's looking for a house. Oh, what's going on in there? You know what's about to happen. You know. What up? Bro, I gotta do this again. What up? Ellie, come here. I guess fine, bro. I did. Oh no, I got shot. Hey, I got shot. Oh man. I don't know. Yo, I got a drink in my pocket. I'm not switching my pocket. Nah, you don't want to go in there. Take the switch. Okay, now you invade. Yeah. No. Yeah. How about you come here? Nobody showed up. Ghost, I like. Look it up, right? Can I get this? That does look clean. Not clean enough. Well, I've had enough of this cop. Come here. You're being annoying as heck. Who's closing? We gotta do this, bro. No! Current. I'm gonna break you now. One way. That way it is. I gotta go. Yo, hold up to catch all of our guys. You guys are gonna be like, what is this goofy our mom car? You guys are gonna figure out. Parkour. Oh crap. They gotta. What am I doing right now? What are we doing right now? Hold up. We just gotta. 50 million attempts later. You know what, bro? Look. Look, come. Oh, heck yeah. Come here. Yeah, buddy. Let me take you to the hospital real quick, psych. No. Coming. Dr. G. Right now. Come here. We're flexing money on him. It's crazy. Come here. Buddy. Oh, you wanna go? You wanna play like that? Let's play this right now. Run, little boy. Let me just grab something real quick. Let me just grab a lighter. Okay, out. We're out. Okay, sure, I'll take this. Yeah, we're rolling out. So what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna drive by and bomb the place. I don't know, just... Okay, we're out. We're on the run. Yo, I'm tired in real life right now, guys. I'm tired. Like, I just woke up. And I'm making a video. Man, you finna backdoor me? That's what I thought. Bro. I think he's AFK. Whoop, guys. And this is the biggest gang in the world. In Brookhaven world. The Goofy world. I'll be right there. Cut up. I just gotta grab something real quick. Alright guys, I'm back. Let me just get in my chair real quick. Hold up. Let me just gotta go right here. No, not this. What is it? Clean. Alright, hold up.
On that block that we pull up 200 shots up in this truck. He tried to duck it. You want some smoke? It could be someone to the club. I brought my gun. My eyes see me. Was run trick like my son. I his cousin's phone. New Marco Drake came with a drum. Sent the past the sun. Don't act that slow it down. I'll put your right in the cloud. Talking slick shot at his mouth. Don't get Lil T hop out and chase you down. Blow the switch and clear the crowd. Everybody on the ground. Don't nobody make a sound. Known for gunning niggas down. Once you get in, you can't get out. I love the Drake, can't get away. I blow super loud. Still a smoker, black him out. Kept with a smack around and he found out I need 30s. It's a drought. Don't play with kids, I'm not a child. Back the trenches, I get wild. The reason mamas miss their child. Pop the exit, got me shaking. If I want it, I'ma take it. I can't kick it, I can't fake it. On that block that we pull up 200 shots up in this truck. He tried to duck it. You want some smoke, it could be some. To the club, I brought my gun. My ops see me and run. Treat these like my son. I shoot cousin's phone. Marco Drake came with a drum. Sent this past the sun. Don't ask me, I slow it down. I'll put your right in the clouds. Talking slick, shot at his mouth. Don't get no you play. Lil T hop out and chase you down. I blow the switch and clear the crowd. Blow the switch and clear the crowd. Lil T hop out, chase you down.
Alright, guys. I guess we had the biggest car meet of 13 cars. Hold up, let me get in the biggest car we have here. The strongest car. Oh, crap. I don't know what happens if I just... Or just invite Lee Jack. No need for him, Lee Jack. Post up in that Glock and when you pull up 200 shots up in the truck, you try to knock and got. But you want smoke, but cooking on. No, bro, let me get back in my Lambo. My Lambo is the cleanest one in the world. Maybe not in the world, but still clean, right? Yeah, maybe not, but alright. What the heck? Stop. This originated from one car, from my only one car. I think we crashed the game. Custom plate now. I say that me and my people, we go absolutely destroy Yo, by the way, it was good, bro. Okay, I'm out. Bye. Have a good day. I'm out. Yeah, bro, try to catch this plate. Try to catch. I'm doing a 16 and a 15. School zone. Bro. Oh. Nah, we're lagging the game so hard. Let's see if I can get it. I was thinking I had RPGs in the game. Yeah, I can see why you're toxic. From that goofy makeup. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow. This is... Meow, 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 meow. Rest in peace, my granny. Yeah, bro. This is crazy. What is this, a zombie apocalypse? Bro, I don't think you're aware of what I can do to you. Like, I don't think you're aware of that. Alright, you asked for it. No, I'm not. Well, you asked for it. Get the police. They're bad. They're bad people. They are super bad. Just. Well, you guys messed up now. Really did. Now I hope my look at this goofy put on makeup, bro. Yo, a message to the girls out there. You guys don't have to put makeup on everything to make it look pretty. Alright? One message. Okay. Now you're gonna get ready to die real quick. Okay, she's a ghost. Hold up, let me just hop in my tank real quick. Guys, comment down below. Which one was your favorite car? From the first cars and the people that left. Which ones? My favorite, personally? You know what it was. I'm gonna let you guys guess. It was not the tank, not the van, but my Lambo. My Lambo was the cleanest one in the world. You guys don't know how special it is to me. It's not that special. If somebody said, would you nuke your car for $5 million? Buddy, I'm gonna nuke my house. Maybe not my house. But I'm gonna nuke my, I'll nuke my fingers for $1 million. I'll do it right now. I'll do it. Like and subscribe if you're new. Bye.